Hello, my dear friends. Happy New Year! And today I'll tell you how Russian people celebrate the New Year night. Exactly the New Year holiday. The night from December 31st to January 1st. Russian people celebrate New Year at this night, as in Europe, from the times of Peter I. So, what Russian people usually do at New Year night? Of course, first of all, we sit together with our relatives and our friends and say goodbye to the past year. Then, before the midnight, we watch our president of Russia, on TV. It's very strong tradition in Russia. So our president, now it's Vladimir Putin, says several words about the past year and about plans to another year, to the new year. And after his words, exactly at midnight, the Kremlin chimes strike 12 times. So it's the most magic time of New Year night. And it's very good tradition for this moment, exactly at midnight, while the chimes strike, people open champagne and drink champagne. But not only drink champagne. It's good tradition. You can make a wish. And this night is very magic, and this moment is very magic, so you can make your very strong wish. You can write your wish on a piece of paper. Write, писать. So people write their wish on a piece of paper very quickly. People write their wish. Люди пишут желание. Люди пишут желание. And then you must set fire on this piece of paper, then through the ashes to the glass of champagne, not piece of paper, the ashes, and then you must drink this champagne. It's very strong tradition. To drink, пить. Люди пьют шампанское. Люди пьют шампанское. And after this magic moment, it's New Year starts. So then, it's the most joyful, the happiest night in the year. And people eat, of course. To eat, есть. Люди едят. Because it's a lot of food at New Year night. What else? People dance. To dance, танцевать. Люди танцуют. To sing, петь. Люди поют. And watch TV. There are many New Year programs and concerts on TV. So people can watch these concerts and programs and sing songs. People sing songs. Люди поют песни. Then people can play games, different games, not sports games usually, but different games, and participate in New Year contests. People play games, люди играют в игры, and New Year contests, новогодние конкурсы. Then, of course, people present gifts to each other. Люди дарят подарки друг другу. Each other, друг другу. Люди дарят подарки друг другу. Children wait the Russian Santa Claus and the Snow Maiden, his granddaughter. Дети ждут Деда Мороза и Снегурочку. It's case for. Then people can walk in the street. Люди гуляют на улице. And set off fireworks. To set off fireworks, запускать фейерверки. So people set off fireworks. Люди запускают фейерверки. Люди запускают фейерверки. And then can light Bengal fires, sparklers. Бенгальские огни. Бенгальские огни. Люди зажигают бенгальские огни. Люди зажигают бенгальские огни. And last verb for today. We remember verbs today, yeah? To sleep, спать, спать. So, during New Year night, the whole night, people don't sleep. Люди не спят. Люди не спят. New Year night is the most beautiful and joyful night in the year. So you know now all Russian traditions about this night. See you in the next New Year video. Bye!